Starting around 27 July 2023, HEX in a real sense is exchanging at $0.009 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.6% in especially most recent 1 hour in and in every practical sense enormous way. HEX in every practical sense has a very all-out market cap of $1,519,353,240. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $927,698 in a truly significant manner. This by and large makes HEX positioning at 206 in the digital money market. Or so they basically thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX by and large be truly worth in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Is HEX a sort of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Will HEX cost by and large outperform its unequaled extremely high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, or so they especially thought. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.011, the normal kind of least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to basically be $0.011 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, HEX can by and large arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.012 in an exceptionally significant manner. HEX value expectation July 2023. HEX cost really is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.008 to $0.009 in July 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of HEX for the July generally remains around $0.009. HEX value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of HEX generally is supposed to explicitly be at around at least $0.009 in an unobtrusive manner. HEX cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.010, with the especially normal cost of $0.010 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. HEX value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, HEX in a real sense is supposed to truly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.010 in an unpretentious manner. The HEX cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.010, with the really normal cost around $0.010 in an unpretentious manner. HEX value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of HEX especially is estimated to generally be at around a kind of least worth of $0.010. The HEX value worth can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.011, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.010 in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. HEX value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of HEX especially is gauged to truly be at around an especially least worth of $0.010, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The HEX value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $0.011, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.010 in United States dollars amazingly. HEX value gauge December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.011, while the kind of greatest gauge cost basically is around $0.012. Exceptionally further appearance how this generally makes HEX really positioning at 206 in the cryptographic money market, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The typical cost for HEX especially is basically anticipated to generally reach $0.011 in December 2023. HEX past value examination, in the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been explicitly diminished by 1.01% in its really current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we truly look at the extremely current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap by and large is likewise down. So HEX value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of HEX in every practical sense is determined to truly be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.010 in an unobtrusive manner. Hex certainly is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins. The Hex in a real sense is down to nearly 10.82% in the essentially most recent 7 days, which sort of is very huge. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past kind of couple of days. The coin could really have major areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't for the most part believe that it would a productive resource in extremely present moment, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex generally diminished by 88.693%, dispensing with an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of $0.069 from its especially current worth in a huge manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent, especially purchase a valuable open door for fast venture, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 65.31%, and the cost especially coursed from a base especially normal cost of $0.024 to greatest by and large normal cost of $0.027 in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting that assuming you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Hex cost expectation end of 2023. What will Hex generally be exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Hex fundamentally is somewhere near 52.31% with the greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.023 and the for the most part least essentially normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0.021 and fundamentally beyond 4 months in an exceptionally huge manner. Hex value estimate 2023 facts. What will really be Hex kind of worth in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? The Hex cost especially is determined to really arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.012 with extremely least cost of $0.011 toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Hex is in every practical sense have a future in an unpretentious way. As far as cost, Hex has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, showing how the kind of typical cost for Hex in a real sense is fundamentally anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.011 in December 2023. Hex kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been diminished by 1.01% in its exceptionally current worth, which basically is genuinely critical. It generally is estimate that Hex will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As indicated by unmistakable specialists and business examiners, Hex can truly stir things up around town, most exorbitant cost of $0.057 till 2030, which certainly is very critical. Is Hex essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they really thought. Hex's worth is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as lack will in general essentially